Hey everyone, welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is May 4th, 2025, and we're taking a comprehensive look at Litecoin, ticker symbol CUSD. We'll be combining news analysis with detailed chart examination. First, let's get into the news. Recent searches reveal that Litecoin's price has experienced a bit of a downturn this year, with some technical indicators suggesting further downside. However, whale activity seems to be increasing, potentially signaling a future reversal. Forbes mentions that Litecoin is a global digital currency exchange offering trading, tools, and staking options. Cointelegraph reports some analysts predict Litecoin could reach $160 by March of this year. Also, the potential for a Litecoin ETF could drastically change things. Now, let's turn to the charts and see what they tell us, and if there's any correlations to these recent events. Looking at the daily chart, we can see Litecoin trading around $86. Looking at the longer-term one-day chart we're displaying, we can analyze the past year or so. Notice the large spike up in November of 2024 to around $135, and the subsequent large drop to about $70 in April of this year, and its current value now around $86. Now, let's move on to the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view. The price action over the last few days indicates a potential short-term consolidation phase. We can see some attempts to break above $83, but they've been met with resistance. Conversely, there's support around the $79 level. Now looking at the 15-minute chart, we can really zoom in. The recent price action has been quite choppy. There are a lot of small candles, indicating a lack of strong directional momentum and volatility. Combining the news and the chart analysis, here's what we can consider. Without providing financial advice, the increase in whale activity, combined with the possibility of a Litecoin ETF, could create bullish sentiment in the medium to long term. However, the current technical indicators and recent price downturn suggest caution in the short term. Key price levels to watch include the $70 support, and if we break above that, $80, $85, and potentially $90 as resistance levels in the short term. Longer term, if ETF approval comes and market sentiment shifts, it could reach 100+. Remember to always do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before making any trading decisions. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.